Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the right tool for the job and opening a duplicate layer so you never harm the original. Once done, zoom to 100% to inspect edges and texture. This matters for clean blends. Next, use a soft selection or lasso to isolate the text, then convert selection to a mask or new layer. Make sure to sample nearby colors and patterns before applying fills, because matching grain and light is how edits become invisible. You now remove the text using content-aware fill, an in-painting brush, or a clone stamp for stubborn areas. Choose the method based on complexity. After the coarse removal, refine edges with the healing brush and patch tool to remove ghosting and paint small details when necessary. Then perform frequency separation or recreate noise to match texture. This preserves fine detail and prevents a smooth, fake look. Make sure to toggle the original layer on and off. You finish by matching color, contrast, and local lighting so the edited zone blends with the rest. Use curves or selective color adjustments and subtle dodge/burn for depth. Once satisfied, sharpen lightly and downsample to the final output size to reveal any leftover artifacts. If something looks off, step back, reactivate your masked copy, and iterate in small, reversible steps rather than heavy rework. Troubleshooting tip: if edges, halo, or texture mismatches persist, recreate texture with tiny
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.